I thought you meant like actual video clips, and I was gonna be like, but I can't see it.
Oh, I've got one. Yeah, I've got one of those too.
It's still burning.
There's a chest.
She was nice enough to give me a "Don't Be a Knave" clip. Grant did too. Nick did too. Grant's was really good.
What's a bad feeling about this, AJ?
Purple flashlight in that chest.
I can't hear any of you right now because I have no
Jay, what are you
sound
doing?
thanks to T-Chronix. Ooh, that was
Maybe if I
close.
start screaming, you can hear
I have
us.
no sound, which means I cannot
Well,
hear
listen,
any of you in the chat, and I cannot hear the game. I guess I need to go
On the
leave.
other side of main.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry, my love, I didn't hear you.
I have no idea where I'm going,
Ooh,
but
they're
I
coming.
should know where I've been.
Oh, 2 great skill checks.
Oh, okay. Well, now I know this.
Is it Milo again?
Okay, so I know we have a Death Slinger. Okay.
Hey, I tried to warn him. I
Alright, where we gonna
teabagged
go?
and pointed and waved, and I was like, motherfucker, you better move.
Okay, I am killing one totem to activate inner healing.
Who's going over there?
Right there.
Alrighty. Leave at least one totem up so we can. Ah!
Shit.
Jay, hi. Oh.
Nowhere to go. If I'm talking over anyone, I am so sorry.
Oh, we're
Nice
good.
try.
You
We're
can't
not
hear
moving
it.
you anyway.
It's we're all doing-
Oh
Steve, I
shit.
frickin'
No
swear.
sound? Couldn't be a better killer for it. Yeah, I can't hear him aiming. Yeah. And he respects pallets? Well, shit. If he's got Iron Maiden, there goes my build.
He is.
Alright, I'm getting the fuck out of
Do it,
Dodge.
Slinger. Oh, he's going right back for you guys. And I am.
I am
running
getting
like a
the fuck out of Dodge.
I said that
I think
too.
it's safe to heal up right here, but I can't do anything. Think
Yeah,
we're
he's just
good.
focused on you guys. I might be able to pop this gen outside of main. Like right in the front.
Good. Somebody do a gen. I am trying to figure out what is up and
Well,
down.
yeah, but I mean, I get
Yeah.
lockers all the time, so if he's got Iron Maiden, I am fucked.
I
And he
can-
knows where I'm at.
I have a locker healing build.
T-Chronix, welcome in. This has been an amazing freaking
Garbo.
stream. By the way, people in chat, if I'm talking over anybody, I'm so sorry. Just keep in mind, I can't
Like
hear
a
any of you.
25-second chase.
Like nobody.
I did not.
But yeah,
get
you want to
chance
head on
see
him,
this
but then
stuff
again, you're
in his
exposed.
phone. Oh, he's still by Jurassic.
He's coming for me. That gen is like 90%.
I
Hello.
will
Oh god, Dave,
go-
watch out!
Shit.
Danger, danger.
Danger, Will Robinson. Danger.
Alright, time to
I
find out.
think
if
Jay's
you're
got
fired.
me, yeah.
Guys, yeah, you're right. It wouldn't really
Yeah,
matter.
he's
You're right. You're right.
Don't check this locker.
I'm
just
assuming we
reloading
can
the
heal
gun.
up right here.
Oh,
You
I
break
think he's
off and
tabbing
run,
out.
I'll know to run too.
That was a little sus.
What was
Jen
that?
right
What
behind
was
us.
So
that?
the Death Slinger stopped like right in front of the locker.
I'm just glad I'm not
It's
missing any
about
skill checks.
6 seconds. Is Jay maybe getting stream sniped?
I mean,
Nah. I don't think
Nope.
so.
Nope. Nice try, Slinger.
Sir, please. Sir, please.
If it was tiny skill checks, like just, oh my god, unnerving would be a bitch right now.
I love how we both are just like.
Oh man, my
"Excuse me, but you
freaking,
touch
the
me."
back
Where are
of
you
my
bringing
shirt
him?
is stuck to
Where
this
are you
chair.
bringing it?
My
Oh,
god,
crap.
this knife though.
Here, oh fuck,
Dun,
is that
dun,
eruption?
dun, dun.
He kicks it.
I need to find a freaking totem, I swear.
If you can pop Jen, I can tell you where the other 4 are.
Oh, I
That
found one, I
couldn't
found
make
one.
it.
That was a valiant effort.
Alright, he should be
Hey,
getting
I know
hooked
where
right
Mo-
over
I
here.
know-
Yep, right there. He's gonna come
I know
right
the
over here because of the
general-
missed skill check. So let's see.
I'm gonna try to life back to you.
Alright. He's on Steve.
It worked out for me.
Yeah,
Whoever's on Jen
Take
by
Jay's.
the little.
It worked out for me.
He could be like right here and I would have no
With a
idea. Oh, he
BT.
is.
I'm gonna trade. Damn it. I didn't think you would come around that way.
At least he ain't got
Get this
starstruck.
totem
That would
set up.
suck.
He does not have Iron Maiden either.
You see nothing.
Pick the gym.
I'll be back there in a second to finish it.
Nah, I think Jake's got me.
Get out of here.
I'm just gonna go right back here. Touch this.
I wonder
finish the
if,
chain that you were on.
I wonder if the Totem of Healing affects any other perks, like healing wise. I just saw Jane. I just saw Jay and his wifey run past. Big bright ass pink pants.
You don't see me.
By the way, chat, thank you for not messing with me and saying, Jay, run, he's right there, because I would. I would.
Hi, Steve.
So people, oh shit.
I totally would. I would if I was.
I mean, what am I gonna do? I can't hear nothing. Ugh, not good. I got a man too.
There's a gen over by the boom.
I'll follow you.
Oh, come on!
You guys might want to start running.
I was behind that gen. I know I was behind that gen. That's why I did that. Oh well. It's just as well. I can't hear.
Time, I probably wasn't.
This is a terrible spot for a solo
Command fail. We also aren't telling you when he's coming, so yeah.
He's going back down. You might want to run for it.
Yeah, there's a solo gen right in the middle of the map.
Yeah, I see that.
Knock that out. Because there's one in Killer Shack and then one still by main.
I did that to give you some time to get the hell out of there.
Got basement immediately. That's
Can't
sick.
tell if he's
needs to be done.
near. So oh, shit, he is.
Done.
Well, fuck,
yeah,
I'm screwed.
I think he's following Jay.
Yeah, probably.
Jay, blink once if you can hear.
I gotta mend and I can't mend because I gotta get the hell out of Dodge.
The main building.
Yes,
Yeah,
you go
I'm
over
on
there.
main
Nothing to see
building
here.
right now.
Nothing to see here.
You don't see me.
Oh, he took out my healing totem. Lovely.
Oh, the boon's gone. Shit.
I think I'm going down. Nope. Nope.
He's behind you. Yeah, thanks a lot, T Chronics. He's chasing around someone else. Thank you. Alright, let me try to shack again, because I thought that'd be the safe bet, but...
nope, I'm out.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Main building is no longer safe. Main building is no longer safe.
So you think you're funny.
I'm so scared.
I swear.
I can't see him.
I just heard him walking around near me.
You ain't gotta do me like that.
Watch him come behind me and I can't hear.
Oh, Steve, if you come back by the little gazebo thing, I'm over here.
There's a purple flash.
Y'all are wrong.
By the way.
Keeping my eyes on both doors. Saying the building is no longer safe. I don't know what to do. Other than just stay on this gen and watch the dope. That's all I know to do.
I'm setting the totem back up.
Ooh, that was close.
Try to knock out that solo gen in the middle.
This is intense.
I might have lost him.
But I was watching Dead by Daylight for the first time. It's intense.
Oh, there's a lot of progress on this. I should be able to.
It's got Tinker, so he won't even. Well, that would suck too.
Up, he's back.
Matter of fact, he probably does. Hello.
He kicked it. I think he's going towards the boon.
Assuming it's safe to heal.
Over here.
That solo
Assuming
gen
it's
has
safe
a lot
to
of
heal.
progress. Oh, he missed.
We're trying.
Oh, he missed.
Right now, we're trying to heal up on Jurassic. There we go.
Alright,
Everybody out. Everybody bail.
Doing my best to lead him away from that solo gen.
Yeah, you should follow me to the gen that I was on in the corner of the map. It's almost.
You're mad. You're aiming.
I'm not
at
trying to take over.
Because I'm the only one that has.
Alright, we got one gen left, and there's 3 of us on this side of the map.
Maybe I use
Let's,
him. He stopped.
He gave up on
Stopped.
me.
He heard me. He heard me. He's confused. He's taking shots at me. I'm gonna take him.
Making that joke when
over
Pinhead
towards the
came
boon.
out and they removed his voice line.
Let's see if that
I will say this. I'm kind of glad that they re-added the voice lines. The box. You opened it.
You opened it, we came.
Again, people in Discord, if I'm talking over anybody, I am so sorry. I just can't hear anything.
What? You said what now? I'm confused.
Oh, he's at main.
Where's the party at? Oh, there we go.
I'm running to the totem. That solo gen in the middle had a lot of progress on it.
I don't know where that gen is. This map is more confusing than my sock drawer on a Sunday.
I think he's in main.
You just hit the main gen.
Ink.
Hey, what?
Yeah, he just didn't announce it no more, Logo. Logo, this has been the most amazing. This has been the most amazing freaking stream. Dr. Shelbo, we were like right there.
Literally on the platform. That's fine.
I'm not here. You see nothing.
Now.
About to pop the last shin.
Oh my god.
You guys want to go to our door?
Lifesaver.
Or set up to save him.
Hopefully you can wiggle off now.
Which is going to be really good.
I'm like right outside. I'm like in the basement outside.
And 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
I love how we both just pop out of a locker. Well, except for mine, but...
Dude.
I'm gonna try to heal up real quick.
I'm right behind you.
Okay, cool.
You deserve all the love. You guys are too kind. I mean, seriously, you guys are so kind.
I'm guessing
this has been amazing.
So
wow, I have my favorite band up in here for a few. Holy shit. That's amazing. And for those of y'all who have no idea who that band is, they are such amazing, not only artists, but just people.
Dead. Open the game.
We're just going to redeem no audio again.
Open the game.
No, I want to hear. I want to be able to hear. That one's 99 too? Okay, cool.
Hello. Any second now. Oh, God. Oh, please tell me he goes for a pickup.
Oh, shoot. You're going down for the count.
He doesn't.
Like
you saw me. Never mind.
Where's the hook? Where's the hook? I'm going to sabo it. Oh! What the hell's going on? Jericho says, I'll do no audio.
No. This game's lying to me.
Jay,
what the hell?
What in the monkey fuck?
I gotta get out of here now.
Green, brown,
what do you mean? You gotta get out of here.
I don't know if they want me to leave or not.
You're just gonna leave us.
Can somebody put it in the chat if they want me to leave or stay and try to get them up?
You evil
I touch away. This door is 95. Yeah, this one's 99 behind me. I don't know where he is because I can't hear. They want you to leave. He's patrolling us.
He's gonna pick me up first. I'm calling it out. Oh, God.
Jay,
oh, we're all 99. We should probably crawl towards him.
I'll try something.
Ooh, if he hits that stun.
I'll try something.
Nice. And me.
Oh my god.
Perfect.
No, I'll take it.
Go heal, Jurassic. Go heal.
Run away.
Oh, that was almost such a good play.
I had it. I had it.
Alright, we're good. We're good. We just need to make distance here.
I tried. I tried. You know what? With no sound, that wasn't bad.
He's on me. I go down.
Alright, I'm gonna heal.
I'm the Nia. The weirdo.
I would get the damn dough. Get the dough first, then get me. Oh shit, never mind.
I am nowhere near.
I am here.
Yeah, if they held my guy, Unbreakable would have been clutch right here.
Listen, we're gonna get this escape.
You know, I'm the one going on the hook. He's like, nope.
Alright, I'm a touch.
Andy, you got this shit. Got this. Yeah, I bought time with that head on. That's why I did that.
Do you want me to stay by this pallet? So
You're gonna have to run for it.
Yeah, that'd be a nice CJ tech. I'm gonna crawl over there too. Nice.
I don't know if
Oh,
we got
you
this.
missed, you missed.
Motherfucker!
Complete
Yeah,
shot.
both of you just need to dip, 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 dip.
Nice.
99 on the same
Watching
pallet
this from
Chris was.
afar. Y'all got this.
The one time I don't run Unbreakable. Who's he chasing?
Oh, wow.
I just met.
Let's see, I don't know. I don't know if he's right here or not, but I'm taking a chance. There we go.
Oh, never mind.
Let's heal up
It's
and
on
get
us,
Andy
it's
out
on
of
us.
here.
Nope, 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 nope.
Let's
Oh,
heal
we're
up and get Andy out of here. Oh shit, we shouldn't have did that.
He doesn't get that, he doesn't get that. And he's blinded.
I don't know where the other gen is. I don't know where the other door is.
I'd start running to it.
Tell me she got out. Andy, tell me your narrow door. Did you make it to the other door?
I'm panicking.
There's the other door.
There it is, yes, behind Shaq,
Heal,
yeah.
heal. Oh, you can't, damn.
You got it. It's 99.
Oh, it's 99.
Yep.
Easy. Easy.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Easy.
Whew.
Oh, hell yeah.
Nice game. Yes, Oz, thank you for that. Woo!
I was the only one not hooked.
GG's.
I had 100,000. Oh my god. I had 32,000 blood points.
I had 74,000.
I thought I had enough time to get all three of you up after that head on. That was the only reason I did that. I'm so glad that I did. What did you learn?